Hey, this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain. This is the third video where I'm cooking outside on a lovely Brisbane winter's day. And we're still doing desserts. So this time we're going to do chocolate chip bananas, which are kind of really cool. For this, you're going to need a little barky dog under the table that gets upset when I start talking. You're then going to need a banana, just a normal banana in the peel. With your knife, carefully slice down the inside curve of the banana, being careful not to cut all the way through, and more importantly not cutting your fingers. Yeah, you're then going to carefully open up the banana peel, like so, and then you're going to cut a wedge or a sliver out of the banana. Just like this. And yes, I know the camera angle is pretty bad. So, eat that bit of banana. Then grab some chocolate chips and insert into that hole. Now, you can be generous with the chocolate chips. Full length is good. Just make sure that you poke it down into the banana, because otherwise it won't work properly. Still stuffing the banana. Okay, so the banana is filled with chocolate. Now what I could do, if I had a nice bed of coals, is just with some toothpicks close it up and set it into the coals. But since my fire's a little bit warm for that, I'm going to use some alfoil. So just standard kitchen alfoil. Just one layer should do it. Wrap it in the banana, making sure that the seal goes to the top. Okay, we now put this in the fire for between 5 and 8 minutes, and I'll show you how delicious it looks. So this is a banana after 6 minutes in the fire. Sorry about all the shadows. As you can see, the chocolate is all melted and the banana is hot and gooey. This would be absolutely fantastic with some cold custard or some ice cream, but it's also pretty good on its own. So I'm going to peel and eat this, and it just shows you how simple it is to do a dessert when you're at LARP or on a camp. So this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain with the end of the third cooking video. I promise guys, next one I'll actually make something out of like foam or wood or something, not cook. And yeah, stay home and make something.